Welcome dear creatives. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a simple feather fascinator, but you need to watch to the end in order to get a very important tip on how to deal with shiny roses. Okay, so basically you just need your feather, your headband, and your roses, and your needle and thread. Okay, so just keep watching and learning.
And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
So this is a no glue feather fascinator. So basically what I'm trying to do is, while stitching, I'm covering up any part that has my thread, that has an exposure that I do not want. So I'm trying to end up with a knit work. Since I won't be using glue to cover up any place, I'm using my needle and thread to ensure that I have a knit work and cover up spaces that needs to be covered, and also any thread, the thread I used in tying my feather to my Alice band, I'll use part of the rose to also cover it up. So just keep watching and learning. Also practicalize. If you want to show me your work, please, the number on the screen, you can reach out to me via that number. So you see these shiny things that fell off my roses, I'll be showing you towards the end of this video how to prevent that. Okay, so just make sure you watch to the end.
And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
So I'm done covering up every part that I need to cover up using my roses, okay? As you can see, I did not use any glue at all. Next, I'll show you the shiny stuff, how to get rid of it. So you can use top bond or your stiffener, put in a little water, and then using your hand, you apply it on your rose the way I'm doing right now. You can also use a brush, but I prefer to use my hand so that I can go into those tiny spaces and apply very well. So this is what you do and allow it to dry. You can prefer to also do it before using the rose or after, then you allow it to dry. That's the trick. If you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back.